Today we are going to discuss two more tenses, and these two tenses we are going to compare actually. One is simple past tense and the other one is past perfect tense. If we concentrate on verb, we are able to distinguish what tenses are. Now here in simple past tense, we just need second form of the verb. But when we try to understand past perfect tense, there is a helping verb which is very important for perfect tense, and if it is past, so perfect tense helping verb will be had. And now here we will require the third form of verb. So let's get back to the verb. The first form of the verb tells us the simple present tense. The second form of the verb tells us the simple past tense, like here. And when we talk about the third form of the verb, which is always required for perfect tenses, and can also be for passive forms. But let us focus on the tenses. So it is past perfect tense. One advertisement was there of Hajmola, Khaya, Piya, Pachaya. The moment we say the action is over, it is simple past tense. For example, I have this pen in my hand. I open its cap. The moment the action is over, it is simple past tense. What I have to say, I opened the cap. If I press it back, put it back to it, I would say कि मैंने कैप लगाई, खाया, पिया, पचाया. Just like that, you completed your work, you went to school, you watched TV, you played. All these actions, the moment they get over, you have to just think it is going to be the simple past tense. And to identify, just you have to check whether the second form of the verb is used. When you are using it, again you have to pay attention to the form of the verb. For example, you have a verb for just like give. It is the first form of verb. When you use it in the second form of the verb, it becomes give. And when you are using it in the third form, it becomes give. Now, when we talk about these two tenses together, simple past tense and past perfect tense, they describe a situation wherein in the past there were two actions. Now, which of the actions should be spoken in the simple past and which one should be in the past perfect? This is always the question with all the students. And why not then just either simple past tense or past perfect tense? Can also be another doubt. Let's make it clear today. It's very, very simple. I went to the railway station, but the train had left. Now, by this, what we need to understand is, if this fellow, one who says or speaks of this sentence, he must have reached the station little later, and before he reached the station, the train must have gone. You can just put your logic here. The action that took place earlier, मतलब जो action पहले हुई है, उस action के लिए we have to use past perfect tense. While the action that takes place later, it is only simple past tense. Generally, you might tell your friends, अरे यार कल मैंने तुम्हें phone किया था, लेकिन आप तो सो गए थे. So which action took place earlier? Whether call करना is पहले हो गया और उसका सोना पहले हो गया, क्योंकि अगर वो सोया नहीं होता तो कॉल हो गया होता और आपसे बात हो गई होती. So this could not have existed. The thing that took place earlier was this fellow slept earlier. About now, how you can frame the sentence? You can say, I called you up yesterday, but you had already slept. I wanted to talk to you, but you had already gone. I wanted to give you my notes, but you had already taken somebody else's. I wanted to learn all this, but you had already, learned it from somebody else, or you had never wanted to learn it. So the things that take place earlier, they take simple past tense. Sorry, I mean to say past perfect tense. And the things that happen later, they are in the simple past tense. So when there is a combination of these tenses of the past, it's now very easy for you people to identify. Just focus your attention on the action which takes place earlier. That action you have to describe in the past perfect tense. And for this, generally we get constructions like hardly when is one of the constructions. Hardly had I reached the station when the train left. मतलब जैसे ही मैं स्टेशन पहुंचा ही था कि ट्रेन चली गई. सो ट्रेन का जाना इज अर्ली, and then you are reaching afterwards. Can be anything, like you go to your friend's home and they are at their breakfast table and they want to offer you breakfast. You can have two reactions. You can say, please you can have it, I have had my breakfast, मैंने पहले ही खा लिया है, can be one of the ways of saying. But if you simply say, I took my breakfast, but here the hidden meaning is, of course you took your breakfast, but there is a wish of yours that even this one which is going to be offered to you can also be taken. But when you are going with past perfect tense, you don't mean to say this is to be done. I had already watched the movie, but anyways, as you are all going, I can join you. This means the watching of movie was already done, and therefore you have used past perfect tense for it. So friends, so every one of you, it should become very clear for you, whenever there is a choice between these two tenses of the past, always give prominence to the action which takes place earlier to be used in past perfect tense, and rest of the actions you can just describe in the simple past tense. This was what a distinction between simple past and past perfect tense. Thank you so much.